What's up, you guys? This is D from IncomePub.com. Today I have a special video for you guys. This video is for my amazing educators. Now, summer is around the corner, coming up fast, and I know you all want to make some additional income while school is out. And I'm sure you guys want to do that online. So today's video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that can help supplement your income, all done from the comforts of your home. All right, so let's jump right into it. The first site that we have here, it's going to be Teachables.com. Teachables is a platform that it gives you the ability to create and build online courses to teach anything you desire and make money doing so. All right, so here I'm on the page now, and I'm just looking at some of their basic plans and stuff like that. But I wanted to jump over here and jump over to some of the examples first. Before we get into the details, I want to show you guys something that I thought was pretty awesome. A branded teachable course here, okay? So this is a virtual reality developer training course that you can enroll in if you wanted to learn how to develop virtual reality apps or games. And this is how the course is set up. You see they have their logo, stuff like that, and then you just click the enroll here button to enroll in this actual course. Here are some of the courses that they offer for free. These 2 right here are for free, so you can check those out and get a general idea of how your courses should look as well. All right. Now, understand your courses can be video-based courses or more of an interactive style course as well. It's not necessarily needs to be video based. You can have a curriculum listed out with lectures, the whole 9 yards. You can set your own desired course price. Your knowledge is of value, so charge what you deem is necessary. Okay, so let's go back and look at the costs and figure out what Teachables is going to actually cost you to start up. And the reason why I wanted to get a basic understanding of the cost structure is because, see here, this little button here, you can either go monthly with monthly plans or annual plans, and you can see the significant savings based on the plans. I mean, that's with any type of program out there on the internet nowadays. Okay, so you can go with the basic. It's going to cost you, if you want to do it monthly, it's going to cost you $39. If you want to pay it for the entire year, it's going to cost you $29. So you're going to save about $10 or about $120 for the year. Okay. Same thing with professional, same thing with business. All right. So you just switch back and forth. Here are the things, some of the things listed in terms of what you'll get with with the specific plans and everything. Here you go. Unlimited videos, unlimited courses, unlimited students, unlimited hosting, integrated payment process, student management, discussion forums, basic quizzes, no fees on free courses. So, which is amazing. All right, so this guy, everybody knows who Pat Flynn is, right? And basically, he said he made $169,000 from the launch of his first 2 online courses. Teachable made it incredibly easy to create high quality products from scratch. All right. Here's a Q&A, FAQ, I guess. Which plan do you recommend? What happens if you want to cancel? If I want to cancel my plan, can I offer free courses with Teachable? Do I need a web host? Is there a limit to how much content can be uploaded? Do I need a payment processor? Now, these general questions are really, really good because I wanted to touch on some of these. Now, do I need a web host? No, you don't need a web host, but if you have a website already, and you wanted to actually link your course to Teachable, you can definitely do that. They provide you with all the details in the back end and stuff like that and everything. I'm going to provide a link in the description for Teachables to get you guys signed up for Teachables. Okay, you'll be able to get started for free. Went over some of the examples and everything, and I think this will really help you guys. All right, now also, to get you started with Teachable, if you go over to YouTube and put Teachable into the search field, you'll see that Teachables actually has their own YouTube channel. And in the YouTube channel, they teach you things like market your course with Pinterest, how to launch a course, market your course with YouTube, market your course with Twitter. Like, they have so many videos that will help you guys get started. And also they have some tutorials in here as well that will show you how to put everything together and get everything done. Just, scroll over here, go to Teachables, make sure you subscribe to their channel as well. Just go through here and look at some of the videos and look at what they can teach you just from YouTube courses alone, okay? This will help you guys out, help you guys get started. They have a ton of reviews on there, different presentations and stuff of that nature. So again, for my amazing educators, I think this will be the perfect solution to generate additional income for yourself throughout the summer months, okay? And it's easy, relatively easy to get started and get everything up, and running. All you have to do is just create a course. Click here and create a course. Set your pricing. Pick your plan and everything. Set your pricing, and then just go ahead and create a course. Now, Teachable has a very broad audience, so it doesn't matter what you have to teach. Okay, if you want to teach, basic math and stuff of that nature, I mean, I'm sure there are people out there looking for that. Well, not basic math. I would say some more advanced math. Let's say you want to teach some more advanced math courses or something like that, or English, or anything that as a teacher you're doing currently. I think Teachable will be perfect for you. All right. So let's go ahead and move on to site number 2. Site number 2 is a little similar to Teachable, but it's all video based. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't want to be on video, but listen, you're in class all day. You're in front of a ton of students, and the way the market is moving in the next, probably, I would say 2 to 5 years, everything is going to be video based. I mean, it's no stopping it. With the the uprising of Facebook, and now Twitter. I heard Twitter has live now. You have YouTube. Like, there's really gonna be no stop. It's gonna be in your face. Like, everybody's gonna be in your face. So the way that is moving, I think it's time for you to start getting geared up to put yourself on video. I know I am. I'm working strong with that and trying to put that together in my head. And I know for my personal brand, it's going to be something that's going to be, very important for that to come to fruition. Okay. So let's talk about Udemy. All right. So again, Udemy courses are video based. All right. It's an experience to give the students a chance to learn actionable skills. All right. Whether you have experience teaching or it's your first time, they'll help you pick your package, help you get your knowledge into the online courses that improves a student's lives. All right. The way you earn money is you earn money every time a student purchases your course. And the way they pay out is they pay out via PayPal or Payoneer. All right. So you can help people learn new skills, advance their career, and explore their hobbies. So let's say, you are really, really good with, let's say, scrapbooking. You can actually teach a video course via Udemy and get paid for it. Okay. So also there's a very, very active community of instructors that will help you in the course creation process. All right. So let's scroll through here real quick and just go over a couple of these key points. Okay. So again, like I said, the way you earn money every time a student purchases your course. You get paid monthly through PayPal or Payoneer. Like I said, it's totally up to you. Help people learn new skills, advance their careers, explore their hobbies by sharing your knowledge. It's awesome. Join our community. Take advantage of our active community of instructors to help you through the course creation process. So let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into the site. All right. So this is the breakdown. All right. You plan your course. You record your video, then you build your community. All right. So here it's a breakdown of how everything works. You start with your passion and knowledge. Then you choose a topic and plan your lecture. in Google Docs, Microsoft Excel, or whatever your favorite notebooks are. Okay, you get to teach the way you want. Even create courses in multiple language and inspire more students. And the way they help is they offer free courses on how to build your own courses. That is amazing. That is amazing. All right, so let's just look over the site a little bit. And all right, so let's just dive a little bit more into the site, because I actually was interested in this too, because I might actually utilize them for teaching courses myself. So this is a questionnaire that you fill out when you create your account. You come here and it asks you a couple questions. What kind of teaching have you done before? I've done some online teaching, one-on-ones for certain things like photography, editing, Instagram marketing, and stuff of that nature. So I just left mine on online. So you click on continue, and this is how much of a video pro are you? So I just put I have some knowledge, because I'm not a pro. I'm good, but I'm not a pro. So I just put I have some knowledge here. And I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. Do you have an audience? No, I don't have an audience. This is really, really good. This shows you that you don't need an audience to create your first course. Okay, continue. Let's see what they said, because I didn't get this far. So this is the instructor's dashboard, what they're showing you here. All right. So in order to create your course, I guess you just click here to create your course and then go through all the steps. Also, to help you guys get your courses together, they also have a YouTube channel. So you can go over to Udemy Tech and get some understanding and ideas of what a course should look like and how to actually build your courses. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. All right. And I think that's probably it for it. I mean, if there's anything else, let me see. What else? Instructor view, instructor community, and these are some of your resources right here that's in your back end that you guys can test out and look around and stuff like that. But just get in there and just create an account, and I'm telling you, this will help you generate that additional income that you guys are going to need over the summer. And to make money online, I know it's a lot of people's dreams, and then for you to be able to do this from the comforts of your home is amazing. All right. So the third site we have on the list today, in this site, I actually did a lot of searching to find something that would be perfect for teachers looking to make money online. All right. This site is called SuperProof. .us, SuperProof.us. Now, this site is amazing. This is a online tutoring service which you can teach online or in person. Okay, the company was created around 2013, but they became worldwide in 2016. This is actually a UK company. When I was searching for this and looking around the internet for ideas, I couldn't figure out how to switch the platform to US. So what I did is I just typed in .com, and then .us popped up. Okay. So, and after going over this and reading, some of the fundamentals of this is amazing, because you can work independently. You teach at your own pace. You fix your own rates. They don't charge commissions. Okay. So, I guess you pay a monthly fee, because I didn't see any fees or anything on here and stuff like that. And you just pay a monthly fee. And in the last month, over 1,900 lessons were being requested by students, and I think that shows the strength and power behind this website. Okay, what I gathered from this website is this: let's say you wanted to make extra money as doing tutoring, but the means of doing so would be to maybe hand out some business cards, hand out some flyers and stuff like that. Well, this website actually puts all that together in one community, like the ability to actually advertise that you're a tutor, which is amazing. Okay, it's not as much passive income as Udemy or Teachable, but it's still income. It's still income that you can generate online. Again, this is both. You can do this both online via webcam or in person. So that's awesome. So let's look over here now. So all around the world. So you could be teaching somebody in Vegas, and you can be in Texas. Again, offer online tutoring around the world. You set your own rates and keep 100% of the money. It's risk free. They have a free distribution of one-on-one tutoring ad. So basically what this means is you can actually put up an ad for some one-to-one tutoring instead of having a large community of people signing up at once, because they allow you to do that. But I think that the way they do it is you would have to pay some type of subscription fee in order to do multiple individuals in one session. Okay, so you have the ability to do, again, teach totally online or in person, and also the ability to have a one-on-one or multiple students at one time going through a tutorial session. So you just sign up, you publish your ad, and this is what I mean by everything in one location, okay? So your ad is the description of your experience and possibly a resume, your full name, contact details. Well, they said prohibited, so I don't think you need to even provide your first name or your contact details. Add a photo or video, and then ask for recommendations. Okay, so then you just reply to your students. The students that are interested contact you. You accept or reject their request. You get their contact information, and then meet them. Here are some of the locations, some of the major locations that they're in: Austin, Charlotte, Chicago, Columbus, Dallas, Detroit, El Paso, Fort Worth, Houston, Indianapolis, Jacksonville, Los Angeles, New York, Philadelphia. It's so many locations. Okay, and then here are some of the subjects that, and I'm sure, majority of you guys are going to fall under most of these subjects. So you got academic English, academic tutoring, accounting, algebra, arithmetic, basic computers. I probably can teach basic computers. Biology, chemistry, ESOL, geometry, listening comprehensive English, mathematics or expression, physics, reading, Spanish, trigonometry, vocabulary, writing comprehension, and writing expression. Okay, so let's look at some of the frequently asked questions. How do I set my rates? And I'm quite sure, it's going to be questions that a lot of people are going to have. So let's just see what they say here. I thought it was going to be a drop down. I didn't think it was going to click to another section of the site. I thought we were just going to be able to flow through that quickly as possible. Now, depending on your with all three of these, depending on the type of courses that you provide, the value that you provide, there's no telling how much money that you can make on a monthly basis. All right, but if you're utilizing all three of these websites at one time, I'm sure the income that you can generate will definitely supplement your income over the summer months. And I'm only thinking on those lines because I know I have friends that are teachers, and I know what they go through during the summer months. I know what they deal with, in terms of money and having money and stuff like that. So so here is I don't know how we got here, setting prices. Okay, so this is just one of the FAQs on how to set prices. So you guys can come here and read this and just look over stuff and just really get an understanding of what's going on here. But with the uses of social media and everything, like, you can advertise all these courses via social media and get that additional stream of clientele. All right, so I hope this helped you guys, and I appreciate you guys taking time out your day to watch my video. If I provided you guys with value, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. That's all I ask for. I'm going to provide links for every single website below. Any resources that I provide, I'll provide those too, like the YouTube channels and everything and stuff like that. I couldn't find a YouTube channel on SuperProof, but if I come across one, I definitely will add that in to the description below. All right. So again, I'm D with IncomePub.com. You guys have a good one.